Hey, what's going on, FreeMelon family? Thank you so much for joining me here. I've got some good news. So this year, as I did last year, I'm going to be attending the Texas Fruit Festival. And the Texas Fruit Festival takes place from April 30th to May 3rd. Okay, so it goes over the weekend. And I'm going to be there. Now, last year, I had just a phenomenal time giving you guys a lecture on strength training. Last year, it was a comprehensive course, a mini course on everything and anything to know about strength training, or at least the essentials that people should know. So I'll post a link down in the description so you can check that out if you'd like to see the lecture I did last year. For this lecture, I have 3 goals, okay? The first goal is I'm going to teach you the absolute key to developing strength, okay? That's one. The other is I need to show you what the difference is between physical activity and exercise, okay? I have to do that. And then the third goal is just to mess around. No, it's just, I'll show you exactly what that is, show you how to perform proper exercise, and we can have some fun with that, okay? Sound good? Yeah? All right. I give you one of those party whistles, all right? And you've got this glass over here. And my instructions to you are, I want you to take that party whistle, and I want you to walk over to that glass, and I want you to break the glass, shatter the glass with the sound produced with your party whistle. Okay? If you can visualize what that looks like, it looks like this. Like, it looks ridiculous. And this year, I will be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be talking about an unconventional topic that you might find at something called a fruit festival. I'm going to be talking about the moral use of defensive force, self-defensive action, and why it's important, and its connection to a raw food diet, and how keeping yourself in good condition, in good order, is very helpful when it comes to using self-defensive force. And I'm going to talk all about that, and I'm going to talk about some interesting peculiarities about the human body and how we can exploit them when necessary. So that's what's on the schedule. So if you're in the Austin, Texas area and you'd like to come by, then I'm definitely going to be there. If you haven't met me yet, then I'd love a chance to meet you and say hi. So you can catch me at the Texas Fruit Festival this year. I'm looking forward to it. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.